Welcome viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Metal Craft and Design with an interesting video. And are you ready to add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your home with stunning DIY metal candles and light fixtures? In this video, we will explore a variety of creative and inspiring design ideas that will transform your space into beautiful and captivating heaven of light and beauty. From sleek and modern designs to vintage and rustic styles, these DIY metal, candle and light fixture projects will help you achieve the perfect ambience for any room in your home. I hope you will love these design of candles and find this video for your home decoration. If you are searching for candeliers and you are confused which color of light, which design you would use so that it will make your home more beautiful. One popular DIY metal candelier idea is creating a contemporary geometric design by combining metal rods or pipes and strategically arranging them into unique shapes. You can construct a modern chandelier that adds a stylish and eye-catching element to your living room, dining area, or a foyer. Pair it with Edison bulbs for a trendy industrial look, or with crystal pendants for a touch of elegance. For those who prefer a vintage or rustic aesthetic, consider repurposing old metal baskets or wire cages into charming light fixtures. With a bit of creativity and some rewiring, these unique pieces can be transformed into captivating pendant lights or even whimsical chandeliers. Hang them in your kitchen, hallway, or bedroom for a delightful and nostalgic atmosphere. Another exciting DIY metal light fixture idea is creating a cascading pendant light chandeliers by suspending metal rods or chains at varying heights and attaching individual pendant lights. You can achieve a stunning visual effect that adds drama and sophistication to any room. These designs works particularly well over a dining table or in a grand entryway. If you are feeling adventurous, consider incorporating metal pipes or plumbing fixtures into your light fixture design. By repurposing these industrial elements and combining them with Edison bulbs, you can create a unique and edgy statement piece that will surely become a conversation starter. This DIY project allows you to embrace the raw beauty of metal while adding a touch of urban charm to your space. When working with metal for your DIY candle and light fixture products, it's important to have the right tools and safety equipment. Ensure you have a good set of metalworking tools including pliers, wire cutters, and drill. Take necessary precautions to protect yourself, such as wearing safety goggles and working in a well ventilated area. To customize your DIY metal candlers and light fixtures, consider experimenting with different finishes and materials. Paint the metal in your preferred color or apply a metallic spray paint for a sleek and polished look. You can also mix and match metals, such as combining copper and brass to create a unique and personalized design. Before installing your DIY metal candle and light fixtures, make sure to consult an electrician or follow proper electrical wiring guidelines to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. It's crucial to have a thorough understanding of electrical work and seek professional assistance if needed. In the end, DIY metal chandeliers and light fixtures offer an exciting and rewarding way to enhance the ambience and aesthetic of your home. From contemporary geometric designs to vintage repurposed piece, possibilities are endless. So let's dive into these DIY metal candle and light fixture design ideas and let our creativity shine as we illuminate our space with stunning and handmade creations. These light fixtures and candle lights with different color combination and different addition bulbs you can use according to your need. If you need white light, use white color in your addition bulbs, and you can also make multimedia and multicolors with the different types of lights. But if we talk about the most color used is white, because it's create more light and it create a beautiful environment where you put it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates, and please keep on watching my videos, share with your friends and appreciate my work so that I can put more efforts to make these videos. Thank you so much.